Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check system uptime on Linux. So in order to do it, we have to go into terminal, and I will show you 3 ways how to do it. So I will open the terminal, and the first command, probably the most common, is just a uptime command. And as you can see, this is our time, so 13:44, and my system is up for 49 minutes, and it is only one user because it is me. This is the most popular command, and probably most of you already know that, but we have another one. It is basically displaying a file from the proc and uptime. We will press enter, and as you can see, we have 2 numbers. The first number is a total uptime in seconds, and the second one is a total CPU, basically idle time in seconds. We can check that because if I will open a calculator, we can just divide 3009 by 60, and as you can see, it is 50 minutes. Here was 40 because we of this comment like 1 minute before. Right now it is 50 or 51, it is 50, so everything is the same and everything is working. And there is one more comment. The one more comment is a comment with who minus b. For me, it is not working well because I am doing it on the virtual machine, and it is showing me the time of the creation of my virtual machine. It is 10th of December 2025, but for you it should show the last boot of your system. So for example, for you it should show this number from here, and it will be all in this video. This is how you can check your uptime on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.